In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix TradingView chart not moving. Now, there's actually a few things you can do, and I'm going to show you all the possible fixes. Now, the first thing you must do before actually taking any further action is just refresh the website, okay? So here on TradingView, just click on this refresh button at the very top left, or press the F5 key on your keyboard, and then just press accept to actually reload the website, and there we go, it's going to reload. Now, if it's still not working, what you can do is first you must go and look at over here at the interval. Okay, so you may be on like a daily or a monthly chart, and in case you are doing this, then of course it's not going to be moving. So just go to the indicator, or the interval over here, and then set it to a different time period, like for example 2 minutes, and as you can see, the chart will become much more active. Okay, now if this still has not fixed your issue, you could also try zooming in or zooming out of your chart, which basically would then allow you to see better and then allow you to see some movement as well. However, if that still doesn't work, go ahead and do a right click and do a reset chart view. And if that didn't work, what you could also try is by clicking right click, go into settings down here at the bottom, and then you want to click on template over here bottom left, and then click on apply defaults and press OK. Now after you do this, hopefully your chart is now fixed and it is again moving. So that's it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.